Now we will see secondary index. So here secondary index means two-level indexing techniques used to reduce the mapping size of the first level. Here, if you observe here in the secondary level, it maintains two levels of indexing techniques, whereas in your primary means only at one level only it will maintain the indexing. Why it will maintain the two level indexing techniques means to reduce the mapping size of the first level. So here the secondary index can be generated by a field which has a unique value for each record, and it should be a candidate key. So here this is nothing but a here in the secondary index can be generated by field which has a unique value, which is nothing but a on the key value for each record, and it should be a candidate key. Generally secondary index may be applied on the ordered file, and it may be key value or non-key value. This example for key value. So here employee ID, employee name and some designation I am considering. So for this table employee ID is the key attribute. So here some set of 100 records are there. So for this 100 records I am going to be maintaining some index. So here index this is nothing, this level index is nothing but a second level index. This will be at the hard disk. So here employee ID, for example 1 to 21, I am maintaining one block. Next 31 to 51, next 61 to 91. So here these are the index tables. So here one record where it is, for example one record is stored in at the 1000 address. So here it will maintain a 1000. This 1000 address will be maintained here. So this will be pointed to here. Next 11. 11 means here 1 to 10 one block is generated. So here if you want to check fifth record, so at the employee ID 1 is pointed to 1000 address. It will go to the 1000 address. From the 1000 address it will check one by one. Wherever the fifth record found, it will stop the search and so on. So next at the next block 11 is starting. So here employee ID 11 where the memory address, for example 2000. So 2000 will be maintained and so on. Again here for this index table one more index table we maintain. So here again let's consider this is a one block. Again this is a one block. Again this is a one block. So here one for the block one employee ID I am considering. Why? Because first employee ID is 1 here for the block 1. Next for the block 2 employee ID is 31. So here 31 I maintained. Again for the block 3 61 is the starting. So here 61 I am going to be maintaining. Again here for this block some address is there, 5000 address is there. That 5000 will be stored here. So here that block 1 address will be pointed to here. Next 31 block address will be pointed to here. 61 record address will be maintained here and so on. Here two index tables are maintaining. This is at primary level, this is at secondary level. If the record size is more, then they will maintain the two level indexing technique. That is nothing but a secondary level, secondary indexing techniques. This indexing may be on the key attribute or non-key attribute. Please like, share and